All right, everyone, gather round because we're about to unlock the secrets to financial freedom. We're talking passive income, baby. Yeah, that's right. The kind of income that flows in while you're sipping margaritas on a beach or finally getting around to that Netflix marathon. See, passive income is your golden ticket to escaping the rat race. It's about building wealth while you sleep, earning money even if you decide to take a break from the daily grind. It's about having your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Sounds pretty good, right? Now let's be clear, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, strategy, and a bit of hustle up front. But trust me, the rewards are oh so worth it. Imagine waking up to notifications of money hitting your account, all while you're still in your pajamas. So buckle up, because in this video series, we're diving deep into the exciting world of passive income. We'll explore various strategies from property to digital products and everything in between. Get ready to transform your financial future and live life on your own terms. First up, let's talk about property, darling. It's tangible, it's reliable, and it's been a cornerstone of wealth building for, well, forever. Rental properties are like the OG rock stars of passive income. Buy a property, find tenants, and voila, steady cash flow. But being a landlord isn't all sunshine and roses. Tenant issues, maintenance, and late-night emergencies. Ever heard of REITs? Real estate investment trusts. Invest in a company that owns income-generating properties. Real estate is a powerful avenue for passive income. Now let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market. But not just any kind of investing, honey. We're talking dividends. Imagine getting paid just for owning a piece of a company. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's the beauty of dividend-paying stocks. See, when you invest in these babies, you're not just riding the wave of stock price fluctuations, you're getting a cut of the company's profits, straight into your pocket. And the best part? You can reinvest those dividends and watch your money grow exponentially through the magic of compounding. It's like a snowball effect for your wealth. Now, building a dividend portfolio takes a bit of research and strategy. You want to find companies with a solid track record of paying dividends and a bright future ahead. Think of it like picking your ultimate power squad. You want players that are in it for the long haul. So, if you're looking for a way to generate passive income while you sleep, dividend investing might just be your ticket to financial freedom. Just remember to diversify your portfolio, do your homework, and watch those dividends roll in. Alright, let's talk about building your own digital empire, baby. Forget digging for gold, we're talking ebooks, online courses, software, anything you can dream up and deliver online. It's like printing money while you sleep. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know that others would pay to learn? Package that knowledge into a sexy digital product, and you've got yourself a cash cow. Now, you're going to need a platform to sell your digital diamonds. Think Etsy for crafts, but for your brain power. Gumroad, Podia, Teachable, these are your new best friends. Get your product listed, set your price, and watch the sales roll in. And the best part? Once your digital masterpiece is out there, it can generate income 24/7. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit flowing into your account. It's passive income heaven, darlings. Ever heard the saying, it's not what you know, but who you know? Well, in the affiliate marketing game, it's a bit of both, honey. You're basically playing matchmaker, connecting awesome products with eager buyers. Find yourself a niche, something you're actually interested in. Because let's be real, faking passion is about as convincing as a $3 bill. Then, sniff out those high-converting products that are just begging to be promoted. Once you've found your perfect match, it's all about driving traffic to your affiliate links. Think social media, blog posts, email lists, even carrier pigeon if you want to be old school about it. The more people you reach, the more clicks you get, and the more sales you make. It's like a domino effect of money falling right into your lap. Effortless income, my friends. That's the affiliate way. So, you fancy yourself a wordsmith, a digital Shakespeare? Well, darlings, in the world of blogging and content creation, your words can be your golden geese. Pick a topic you're passionate about. I'm talking burn for it, dream about it kind of passion. Because trust me, that genuine excitement, it bleeds through your writing and keeps people coming back for more. Now let's talk monetization. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. These are your moneymakers, baby. Turn your blog into a billboard for brands that align with your content and watch the dough roll in. But remember, consistency is key. Keep churning out that high-quality content, engage with your audience, and soon enough, you'll have a loyal following hanging on your every word. And that, my friends, is how you turn words into wealth. All right, you eager beavers, let's talk peer-to-peer lending. It's like playing bank, but instead of stuffy suits and marble floors, you've got algorithms and online platforms. You lend your hard-earned cash to borrowers, and they pay you back with interest. Simple, right? Now hold your horses. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Just like any investment, there's risk involved. Borrowers could default, leaving you with empty pockets. But hey, that's where diversification comes in. Spread your money across multiple loans, just like you spread your bets in Vegas. Diversification is your best friend, kids. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if that basket is woven from questionable credit scores. And remember, due diligence is key. Do your homework on the platforms and borrowers before you throw your money at them. Peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So be smart, be strategic, and watch your money grow. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a little extra cash padding their bank account? Now, let's talk about the stock market. That thrilling roller coaster of risk and reward. It can seem daunting, like navigating a shark tank in a bikini. But trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. One way to dip your toes in is through index fund investing. Think of it as diversifying on autopilot. You invest in a basket of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. It's like having a little piece of everything, spreading the risk and potentially reaping the rewards. Then there's automated trading, where algorithms do the heavy lifting for you. You set your investment goals and risk tolerance, and the robots take it from there, buying and selling stocks with lightning speed. It's like having your own personal Wall Street wizard working magic behind the scenes. Remember though, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It has its ups and downs, its bull and bear markets. Don't panic sell when the market takes a dip. Ride the waves, stay informed, and watch your investments grow over the long haul. Alright, let's talk about the holy grail of passive income automated online businesses. Imagine this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping margaritas while money rolls in from your online empire. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. With e-commerce platforms like Shopify, you can set up an online store and start selling products without ever touching inventory. That's right. No warehouses, no shipping nightmares, just pure profit. You can use dropshipping, where a third party handles all the storage and shipping, or print on demand, where products are created and shipped only when an order is placed. It's like having a team of invisible elves working tirelessly behind the scenes. And the best part? You can automate almost every aspect of your business, from order fulfillment to customer service. There are tons of tools and software available to help you streamline your operations and free up your time. Because let's be honest, who wants to be chained to their laptop when there are beaches to explore and cocktails to be sipped? All right, folks, let's dive into the world of intellectual property. Think books, music, inventions, anything you create. Imagine getting paid every time someone uses your creation. That's the beauty of royalties. It's like having a money-making machine working 24/7. You don't need to be a literary genius or a musical maestro. These days, there are platforms for everything. Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing is your new best friend. The more eyes on your work, the bigger those royalty checks. Royalties, your ticket to earning passive income while you lounge poolside. All right, you gorgeous bunch, let's talk YouTube. It's not just for cat videos and makeup tutorials anymore. It's a goldmine for passive income. Create evergreen content like tutorials and educational videos. Keep viewers coming back for more. Once it's up and running, the views and ad revenues roll in. Do your research, find out what's trending, and make it entertaining. Consistency is key. Find your niche and start creating. Now, let's talk about real estate, darlings. It's the kind of investment that screams sophistication. That's where crowd-funded real estate comes in. You and a bunch of savvy investors pool your money together. It's like a high-stakes game of Monopoly with serious returns. Crowd-funded real estate comes with its own set of risks. Research different platforms and scrutinize those property listings. Invest wisely, diversify that portfolio, and always read the fine print. All right, you eager beavers, want to hear about building a mobile app, huh? It's like building a digital empire, one download at a time. First things first, you got to figure out what your app's going to do. What problem is it solving? What makes it stand out in the crowded app store? You need a unique selling point, something that makes people want to whip out their phones and tap download without a second thought. Next up, development, baby. You can either roll up your sleeves and code it yourself or hire some tech whiz to do the heavy lifting. Trust me, outsourcing this part can save you a serious migraine. Now, how do you make this app rain cash? In-app purchases, subscriptions, or good old-fashioned ads? The choice is yours. Just make sure it aligns with your app's purpose and your target audience. Remember, building an app is a marathon, not a sprint. You gotta be patient, persistent, and always listen to your users. Respond to their feedback, fix those pesky bugs, and keep those updates coming. Do it right, and you'll have yourself a digital cash cow, raking in the dough while you sleep. All right, let's talk about automation, baby. Remember all that passive income we're chasing? Well, these apps are like your own personal robots, working tirelessly behind the scenes to grow your wealth. Think of apps like Acorns, Betterment, or Robinhood as your financial fairy godmothers, magically transforming your spare change into serious investments. It's like micro-investing on autopilot, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. These apps are perfect if you're just starting out or if you're, shall we say, financially challenged. They make investing accessible, affordable, and, dare I say, fun. No more intimidating spreadsheets or confusing financial jargon. Just set your goals, choose your risk tolerance, and let the robo-advisors work their magic. But remember, even with automation, you've got to stay informed. Keep an eye on your investments, adjust your strategy as needed, and don't be afraid to consult with a financial advisor if you need some extra guidance. After all, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your hard-earned cash. All right, listen up, you financial wizards in the making. Let's talk about a couple of low-risk options that can make your money work a little bit harder for you, even while you sleep. We're diving into the world of high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts. First up, we've got high-yield savings accounts. These bad boys typically offer a higher interest rate compared to your average traditional savings account. Think of it as giving your money a comfy little upgrade. Now, don't expect to be rolling in cash overnight, but it's a great way to earn some passive income on your savings. Next, we have money market accounts. These are similar to savings accounts, but they might come with a few extra perks like check writing privileges or debit card access. They usually offer competitive interest rates as well. Just remember to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions before you jump in head first. So whether you're stashing away some cash for a rainy day or just want to see your money grow a little faster, high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts are definitely worth considering. Remember, every penny counts when it comes to building your passive income empire. Now let's talk about annuities. Annuities are a bit more complex, kind of like that complicated cocktail recipe you saw online. Basically, an annuity is a contract you make with an insurance company. You give them a lump sum and they promise regular payments to you. It's like setting up your own personal pension plan. There are different types of annuities, each with its own rules and benefits. Some offer fixed payments, while others are tied to market performance. It's all about finding the right fit for your financial goals and risk tolerance. Think of annuities as a long-term investment strategy, especially for retirement. It's like planting a money tree that will bear fruit for years to come. That's it for this comprehensive guide on unlocking passive income. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of that go-getter attitude. Check out the links in the description. But first, subscribe and hit that bell.